Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In today's video we're going to talk about basic if structure in R. So here I am assigning the variable x to be 5, so number 5 is assigned to x, and I would like to have an if condition there. So I would like to print the value of the variable x only if x is greater than 3. Assume that we don't know x equals 5, and I want to write down a condition to see that, okay, to check first if x is greater than 3 or not. If so, I want to print this message, x is greater than 3. So in order to have this condition, I use the if keyword and then I put the condition inside the parentheses. So if x is greater than 3, then print x is greater than 3 message for me in the output. So when I run this code, because x equals 5, this message is being shown here in the output. But if I initialize the x to be 2 and I run the code, we see that here it shows no message in the output with respect to this if condition, because we didn't say if x is less than 3, do something. We simply said that, okay, if it's greater than 3, do something. For example, print x is greater than 3. But if it's less than that, it's not going to do anything. So now if I have x equals 7, I run the code, it says x is greater than 3. Now let's see another example. Here we are having the if else condition. So here we are having if with else condition. We are having the age to be equal to 18, and we are having the condition to be checked. If age is greater than or equal to 18, this is the condition, implement this part of the code, which is going to print you are an adult. Otherwise, print this part of the code, you are a minor. So because 18 is greater than 18 or equal to 18, this part of the code is executed, which says that you are an adult. But if I have, for example, age to be equal to 15 and I run the code one more time, we see that this message is being shown here, you are a minor, meaning that this age equals 15. So it checks to see 15, is it greater than 18? No, therefore this part of the code is not executed. It goes to the else part and it prints you are a minor as we see it here in the output. Thanks for watching.